here about Charlie Parker? Oh, yep, it says seek and find the image with Charlie Parker. Thelonious Monk and Charles Mingus. And what's the name of the drummer? Hey, we gotta find this picture. Come here, Aiden.
Charlie Parker.
He transformed the basic elements of African.
Is this the one?
Yeah, that's
It says find.
Parker.
Yeah, Charlie Parker. That's right. And then it says what is the name of the drummer of the year? I don't think is it in here. Oh wait, look here. Maybe it's this one. So this is it on this one? Do you see Charlie Parker? Oh, this is somebody else. Oh, this is Louis Armstrong. Look.
Armstrong.
It says who is the famous Japanese singer in the photo with Louis and Lucille Armstrong?
Armstrong.
Yeah, but do you find a photo of this scavenger hunt is hard.
Look.
Oh, that is the picture. Good. Aiden found it. It's right there. It said, what is her name? Her name is, do you see it?
Mitsushima.
Mizushima. Miss Mizushima. So right here, you're going to write Mizushima. It says, look for the neon sign titled Jazz. What movie was it in? Here. We have to, yeah, a neon sign titled Jazz. Right, so they can play, so that they can still play, and they can still play baseball. And look, over here the state tells you, look, remember we talked about all the states? Look at that, those are all the states. Remember, look, Houston, Louisiana, oh look, New Orleans. Florida, Atlanta.
Are they New Orleans?
Silly, are we? Look at where we are. Kansas City, Missouri, that's where we are. Yeah.
Who is this one?
Connie Morgan. Hold on, that's Tony Stone. Oh yeah, this is the women. These are all the women that played in the Negro Leagues.
Hey, you see this one? Okay. What are you doing?
Oh.
Is it my turn?
Yeah. Good.
Or do you have to keep doing it until it goes through?
You have to keep doing it until it goes.
Oh, then we're gonna spend the night here.
Wait, Aiden, wait. Look at me.
Dad.
I need look.
Okay, let
Dad
try.
Let me show you. Put
Let
it
Dad
there.
try.
Because I'm a
Calm
lefty.
down.
You stand next to the ball. You stand right here.
I'm a lefty too.
No,
Look.
baby, you're a righty.
Look.
I'm a righty.
You
Just like,
hold it like this.
what,
And you
he's
stand.
gonna do that and he's gonna miss it. It didn't get
You
in
see
though.
that?
Yes.
I'm a pro.
Okay, go.
Oh, almost.
That's okay, leave it there, Papa. Just push it in. If it stops there, then you just go. Continue.
Whoa.
Okay, my turn.
Oh wait, there's a cup here you gotta make. I didn't know you have to make the cup.
There. Did I make it?
No.
Oh, man. family, art, and fun. So it tells you what to do here, Aiden. Look, Nigeria. Did you know that the king of Benin was called an Oba?
No.
Oba.
Now you know. What is this? Read it.
Live warm trumpet.
That's a trumpet. No, like this. Aiden, look, where's it from?
Cameroon. That's a Cameroonian trumpet.
Do you know what it's made from? An elephant.
Did you see them when we were in Ghana doing that? Or you forgot?
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. We saw the guy weaving at the market.
He really did.
Yes, he's really quick. Come on, Aiden,
Hey, that's kente. Do you know what kente is? This is kente. But it says, please do not touch.
That's what the guy was making. That's what he was weaving.
This is kente. It's Ghanaian cloth.
This is what he was weaving. It's pretty cool.
This is Congo masquerade. Scary.
It's like a Halloween costume. You put it over your head. So this place was built 5,000 years ago. That's a long time. Yeah, but why do so many people live there? I mean, like, I know why. No, yeah, but why? How do they carry stones so heavy for 150 miles?
How do you know the birth?
Oh, I know, why did they put them like that? It's a good question.
On the bottom part.
Sit right here.
On the bottom part. That looks so small.
I did.
You have to pick it close and move gently. It's too funny.
Aiden, we're the same height. No, look at the camera up there.
Aiden, you look like a giant.
Well, my
Giant's gonna get us. Okay, wait. Do you see that?
It's magic.
Is it the same on both sides with this one too? It is. But that one looks smaller.
Oh, I know. I understand this one. See, this Aiden, look, this line and this line is the same. You know that?
Oh, it says the bottom tip looks larger, but it's not larger. It's the same size as this. I don't get how though.
So this, which one is this? This. That's cool.
No, we're not gonna go on the track. That's a train track. You got it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Even though you took my picture, I'm gonna show you what. She said, come to the center. Aiden! Aiden, look! Aiden, can you wait? Aiden, hold on. Look.
Aiden, wait.
That's gonna get a picture.
question. Where do we get a bottle?
Ah, it's dribbling my shirt! It's dribbling my shirt!
What's it?
I'm gonna nibble your shirt! And you're...
It's trying to
come
trick
here,
you.
come stand by
to
me.
mom. Go to mom, baby. Go to mom.
Come stand by me. Oh my gosh. You have to touch it.
Why?
How are you gonna put the bait on your fishing rod?
Catch and release.
You have to touch it.
And there's another one.
Yeah, hold it. Take that one.
The warning.
Hey!
Mom, why did you get it off?
Because you're supposed to get it. No, it jumps off after it eats it.
Yay!
Yay! You got the first one. So weird.
You're a mosquito? I'm finding a bone. Only 2. About 5.
Aiden, what is that? Are you buying ginger?
No. I like ginger.
You don't like ginger?
And yeah, I'm about like ginger.
How about blueberry? Let's get some blueberry, Aiden.
And ginger for
Did you say 2 for $1? Aiden, look. The blueberries are 2 for $1.
And then I'm about like ginger.
Okay, so you want to buy that and take that to her? How you, really, Aiden? You know you can buy ginger at home, right?
What do you get?
But I think what you get blueberries.
Aiden, get some blueberries.
I can hold it. I can hold the door for everybody.
Thank you. Where are we today?
Kansas City food.
So we've heard the Kansas City. It was a lot of fun. So come on, let's go check it out.
Ask mom, what do you think?